I just signed up for a gym membership. The problem is, I have no idea what I am doing.
Do not worry, William. I have been working out for 3 years. By the end of today, you will know exactly what to say and do at the gym.
Hello and welcome. I am William, and today I am a gym beginner.
And I am Sarah, your fitness guide. This is Level B1 Intermediate English.
Today's 6 key phrases are workout, cut back on, in shape, cheat day, push through, and sleep it off.
In today's story, William just joined a gym and asks me for advice. Listen and learn.
Okay, Sarah, I signed up. I want to get healthy. Where do I start?
First, tell me, how many days a week are you planning to work out?
I was thinking every day. Is that too much?
For a beginner? Yes, 3 or 4 days is perfect to start. Your muscles need rest too.
Got it. What about food? I heard I need to cut back on sugar.
Yes, cut back on processed food and soda. You do not have to be perfect, but small changes make a big difference.
I really want to get in shape before summer. Is 3 months enough?
Totally. 3 months of working out consistently, and you will be in much better shape. Trust the process.
What about cheat days? Can I eat pizza on Sundays?
Of course. 1 cheat day a week is completely fine. Just do not let it become every day.
Perfect. And what if I feel tired during a workout? Should I stop?
Depends. If you are just tired, push through it. That is how you get stronger. But if you feel pain, stop immediately.
Great conversation. Let us learn the first 3 phrases now. Number 1, workout. To work out means to exercise, usually at a gym.
Examples. I work out 3 times a week. Or, did you work out this morning? The noun is a workout. A good workout means a good training session.
Number 2, cut back on. This means to reduce the amount of something, usually something unhealthy. I need to cut back on caffeine.
Cut back on is different from stop. It means reduce, not eliminate. So you can still enjoy things, just less.
Number 3, in shape. If you are in shape, your body is fit and healthy. If you are out of shape, you need more exercise.
You can say, he is really in shape. He works out every day. Or, I need to get in shape before the summer.
Okay, I went to the gym yesterday and I feel really sore today. My whole body hurts.
That is totally normal for the first few sessions. Just sleep it off and drink lots of water.
Sleep it off? Does that really work?
Yes, your muscles repair themselves while you sleep. It is the most underrated recovery tool.
And what about cheat days? I had my first cheat day yesterday. I ate a whole pizza.
A whole pizza on day 2. William, cheat day is 1 meal, not the entire day.
Okay. I will cut back on the pizza. But I do not want to quit. I want to push through.
That is the right attitude. Just push through the hard days and you will get in shape. I promise. Now the last 3 phrases. Number 4, cheat day. A cheat day is when you take a break from your healthy diet and eat whatever you want.
For example, Friday is my cheat day. I always order burgers. It helps you stay motivated on the other days.
Number 5, push through. This means to continue doing something even when it is difficult or uncomfortable.
You say, I wanted to quit but I pushed through and finished the race. Or, just push through the last 10 minutes.
Number 6, sleep it off. This means to recover from something by sleeping. Usually used for tiredness, soreness, or mild illness.
Example, I have a headache. I am going to sleep it off. Or, you are just tired from the workout. Sleep it off and you will feel better tomorrow.
Let us practice these fitness phrases together. Repeat after me.
I work out 3 times a week.
I need to cut back on sugar.
I want to get in shape before summer.
Saturday is my cheat day.
Just push through the last few minutes.
I am sore. I am just going to sleep it off.
Quiz. Choose the best phrase for each situation.
Question 1. Your friend feels very tired after a big workout. What do you suggest? A. Go for a run. B. Sleep it off. C. Have a cheat day.
Correct answer. B. Sleep it off. Rest and sleep help your body recover after hard exercise.
Question 2. You drink too much coffee every day. Your doctor says to reduce it. You say, I need to blank coffee. A. Work out on. B. Cut back on. C. Push through.
The answer is B. I need to cut back on coffee. Cut back on means to reduce the amount.
Question 3. You are almost at the end of a hard run. You are tired but almost done. What do you tell yourself? A. Take a cheat day. B. Push through. C. Sleep it off.
Answer B. Push through. It means keep going even when it is hard. You can do it.
You are doing great. Today you learned 6 phrases for talking about health and fitness in English.
Let us review. Work out, cut back on, in shape, cheat day, push through, and sleep it off. Use them at the gym, with friends, or when talking about your health goals.
Keep it up. Learning English every day is like going to the gym, push through, and you will see results. See you next time.